Good morning students. Today we will discuss about stack data structure. What do you mean by stack? A stack is a linear data structure. Stack is a LIFO structure. That means last in, first out. And some functions are used like push function to use to insert new element into stack and pop to remove elements from stack. And stack have two conditions, overflow and underflow. A stack is said to be in overflow state when it is completely full and is said to be in underflow state if it is completely empty. That means stack have different operations. First is push operation to insert an element in the stack. Suppose we have this stack is there and this is the index number, and index number is starting from 0 to size minus 1. Suppose size is equal to 5. Then index number from 0 to 4. Now first we discuss about push operation stack. Push means insert any value or element in the stack. Now push 2, then index number 2 will be pushed on index number 0, next push 4, similarly push 6, push 8 and push 10. Now see, stack size is full. If we want to push another element, then stack is overflow. This situation is called overflow. That means stack size is full. Next operation is pop operations. Pop operation means to remove element from stack. So same stack we use here. The top condition will be top position will display the top element. For example, top content 10 and all the deletion pop operation will be done on top position. So then initial condition, now pop topmost element will be removed. Here 10 is removed. Next time when we call the pop, then 8 element will be removed. Next time 6 will be removed. Okay, and next time 4 will be removed and 2 will be removed. And last the stack become empty. This situation is called stack underflow. Okay, overflow means stack is full and stack underflow means stack is empty. To understand better concept, we use video here. Suppose one stack is there. Now working of a stack. Addition of a element. Push 11 on stack. See, every time top index number will be incremented. Now push 16, push 27, push 14, push 20. Deletion of element by call. Now pop top element will be removed by pop function. So first 20 will be removed, then 14, then 27, 16, minus 8, 23 and 11. See here. Now 14 will be pop. 27. Pop 16 from stack. Minus 8. Now remove 23 and 11. So this is push and pop operation in the stack. Thank you for watching.